Every now and then I get this urge to fly or create something. I find it so satisfying to be creating something. In this video, I'll be flying my FPV in two of the most beautiful places in Malaysia. But first, we gotta travel there. The first location is almost 300 kilometers away from Kuala Lumpur. An island called Perhentian Island. It's truly a paradise. There are these abandoned windmills overlooking the beautiful ocean. That's the spot I wanted to fly for a very long time. So it begins. Let's go! That guy is having fun. Yeah, the water here is super clean. Boat rides, long hikes, and we finally arrive at this beautiful island. The water is crystal clear. We stayed at this small local village on the island. From there, we took a boat to an isolated beach called the Landing Beach. That's the one, rocket! We are here at this beach called the Landing Beach. It is on the other side of the island, so which means there absolutely nobody here, and it is one of my favorite spots because I have camped here before, right over there, and I saw some baby sharks, and it is just an amazing place. So I'm gonna set up my drone and we're gonna fly. And after that, the plan is to go up all the way to the windmills. There's this set of windmills that I've always wanted to fly in Perhentian Islands, and it is one of the most beautiful spots, so I'm really excited. From there, we hiked another hour and we finally made it to the spot. Things we go through to take the shot. This is a huge boy. Perhentian Island is one of my favorite places, and these stairs right here are one of my favorite spots. But unfortunately, they block the stairs and we cannot go down anymore because it's too dangerous because they have so many accidents. This is the best spot we have found, and I think I'm gonna take off from here. But right behind me, the windmills, I can't go down too much, otherwise I'm gonna lose signal. So I have to stay on top and see what we can get. All right, let's do this. Woohoo! This is why I love flying FPV. For a moment, it disconnects you from reality and you totally immerse in the environment like a bird. And it's such a beautiful way of exploring the world. All right. Wow, that is so beautiful. That was amazing. It was so nice. The island was fun, but now we're heading to the second location. This place is located right in Kuala Lumpur called Bukit Tabor.
It's famous for its breathtaking views of the city, and I've hiked this trail countless times back then when I was not an FPV pilot. But now it's time to capture it with my drone.
Behind me is Bukit Tabor, the famous hiking spot for everyone, and we are going to send a long-range flight to this beautiful place. There's not a single cloud in the sky and it's looking absolutely beautiful, but it's my very first time properly sending a long-range flight, so I'm a little nervous, but I think we're gonna make it happen. All right, sending my Seeker 5 with the Hurricane props. Look at that, guys, so beautiful. All right, here we go. All right, we're gonna go towards that side and we're gonna come in towards the sun. 3.97 watts, looking good. Wow, bro. $60 Mbps, really good, looking solid.
Yeah, you guys do.
Oof. Oh my god, bro. So beautiful. That was awesome. First warm-up pack, not bad, bro. It's amazing. I just sent my first pack. I couldn't even talk right now because it was so beautiful. A bit overexposed, so I'm gonna increase my shutter a bit because I don't have ND16. I'm gonna send it again.
This is so beautiful, man. Oh my god, this is so dang beautiful. Oh,
I told you.
no freaking way, bro. Oh, I can go to the other side.
No,
Oh my god.
this is gonna be in the beginning of my video.
Shit.
Like,
It was freaking amazing, bro. Freaking amazing.
I used to come here and hike a lot. I've lost my first drone here. I've taken some amazing, beautiful shots here. And it's so crazy to think that after all of these years, I'm gonna come here, fly my FPV. Lots of good memories over here. Here's my friend with Avatar 2. We're going to send it for the first time. May or may not get it back. He's very nervous. Go, go, go!
It's quite windy up there.
Yeah, it's a bit windy. But I didn't feel it with 5-inch. Second pack. Here we go.
Seeing this place from a perspective of my drone was truly a unique experience. It was definitely one of my most beautiful flights. I hope you enjoyed this video. There's so many beautiful places to capture and I can't wait to take you guys along with me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.